today we are going to be doing Hurrah Pass and chicken corners. So it looks like it's going to be a good day. We've got me in my Cherokee, we've got Paul and his Compass Trailhawk, then we've got Dewey in his two-door JL. So it should be a good day. Hopefully get some nice scenic footage. Heard lots of good things about Hurrah Pass and chicken corners, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, the audio is probably going to be terrible with the wind, but something's not working right. I think Dewey's got a little bit of video on it, but something's not working right. But some electronic issue, I don't know what's going on. Right up here, stopped, wouldn't restart, had a quick turnover for like 1 second, cut off, disconnect the battery, reconnect it, turn over for 1 second, cut off. So we'll see what's going on, but we've got tow truck up here with the trailer. Gonna be back down the road, and then I'm probably gonna have to have it towed over to Grand Junction again, and so we'll see how that works. It just sucks, but hopefully we get this figured out. have to see this thing on a trailer one more time, I'm gonna be so mad. This is just ridiculous. I shouldn't have to deal with this. This is the second time now that I've had to leave this thing in Colorado.
You've talked to me about getting one of those.
I am looking at one of those, but I just can't tow much. That's my problem.
Yeah.
This is sad.
I know.
Can this please stop happening? All right, so just got into her at Grand Junction Jeep Dodge. Started up just fine. Everything's going good. So I guess battery's all I needed. Sounds okay. So we're gonna start heading out of here and hopefully get home. 2 11-hour days, and I'll be home by Sunday night. So we'll see how this goes. First, I gotta get out of this parking spot because there's a Gladiator right in front of me and a truck right behind me. But I think I can get out right here. I just have to scoot my way, do like a 5-point turn. So this will be fun. This is why you pay attention to your vehicle. If you think something's up, check it out. Because turns out I really screwed up my alignment in Moab. So I've still got a decent tread on the inside, but I am all the way into the wear blocks on the outside. So this is not going to make it another 800 miles home. So now I've got to take the rear tires, put them on the front. Thankfully I have 2 jacks, so should be able to get it done. Well, this is the development. Got grease all over the inside of this tire. I think this CV boot has failed too. So I'm terrible at this stuff. It is what it is. So I just had to fix that CV boot, sort of. I kind of jerry-rigged it. I got a little needle valve and some grease, and I poked a hole up here, put as much grease as I could think to put in there. I put a bunch in there. I don't know how much, but whatever. Put red grease. If any comes out, I'll see it. Plug the hole with some super glue, and we'll see how that works. I know it's not supposed to be how it's done. I just want to get home. I've got 700 miles. I just want to get home. So I did not realize until after I started editing that I completely forgot to do an outro for this video. So here I am now. I did get home. I already had an appointment with the tire shop to get the tires switched out. So I got a set of Falcon Wild Peak RTs on there, and I really love those tires. I'm not sure which my next video will be. It might be something special, might be an install. I do know the next trail video will probably be Leatherwood Off-Road Park in Kentucky. I went down there for the next weekend trip, and it was really fun. I'm not quite sure exactly when that video is going to come out. I still have to edit it 5 months later, but we'll get there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, make sure you leave a comment, put a like, share the video. If you have not already subscribed, make sure you hit that bell, because I know 85% of you are not subscribers. So definitely smash the bell, hit the button for all notifications, and I will see you guys in the next one. In the meantime, keep on jeeping.